guys? Cinepack here, back with another video. So I did want to give you a little update of the Smokey. Here it is. I did tear down one side of the suspension. The motor is out, all that good stuff. This side is still in place, and the bed is gone. So yeah, that's where we stand at with the Smokey. But those that just clicked the video for the title, we are gonna be heading over to Brian's crib, and we are gonna be doing a star headliner. So stay tuned, guys. I will see y'all when we get over there. What's up, guys? Quedamos con el Cub Brian, you know?
Hey,
what's up, kid? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Qué haciendo?
Según estoy armando el base para un relay for the star headlight, but we're about to find out how it works.
Ah. Mamalón, sorry. So we're gonna start the process of taking down dropping the headliner. Well, let me just show you. Watch this Denali. Ooh, this whole bang. I'm gonna stop because copyright, but it's nice. So pretty much we're gonna start off with the visors. So right here we got 3 bolts. You just pop off this little cap right here that it has. So right here, pop it off. Got three bolts. One on this side, 2, 3. We're gonna take those off. I'm gonna set the camera down. I'm gonna take those off, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all once we take this off. And the other mirror, the handles, these pop off right here. Take them off. So let's go. Let's get to it and just keep on tearing it down, cause we got a limited time schedule. Let's do it. Las apariencias engañan, cuídense del agua mansa. No me revuelvo en lo pariente, no somos puertos, no somos corrientes. Los chapulines, los frases calientes. Si el río suena, hay piedras. Si no hay respeta, no pensa. Se me atraviesan roques. What's up, guys? Basura. Nah, si ya miraron la troca, primero basura.
Basura.
No, but I forgot to tell you guys. So for you, I wasn't explaining much of what we took out anymore because, so it's gonna be different for every truck. The process of taking out the headliner. So y'all could just search it up on YouTube. There's plenty of videos out there how to take off the headliner. So I can take off the headliner, but we're gonna show y'all what we do, and we're not any mechanics at all, no masters at all, no fucking certification at all, but we're gonna try. So if we can do it, then y'all can do it. We're not done yet, but
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Entonces tiene que quedar, porque eso es lo de enfrente, eso tiene que quedar
aquí.
Sí. Denali. Si es original Denali, ok. Que fuera dicho Sierra.
No.
¿Eh? Entonces tiene que quedar aquí, mira.
Aquí. Esto va a quedar aquí.
¿Ya alcanzaste? ¡Viene el Valley! What's up, cut? What's up, cut?
Sting.
¿Dónde? ¿Ahí? what's going on, guys? So we finished putting on the star headlights. We glued them where they went and everything. And echarle some luz, Brian. Que mira la... Mira.
Todo el cablerío que tenemos.
Mira, we haven't cut them, but yeah. They're in there. We're putting in the headliner. We're like halfway done putting everything in. And guys,
It looks sick, guys.
it looks sick, huh? Era, se mira Brian bien cansado. También ya ando hecho garros. I'm ready to go home, but gotta finish this job. But I'll get back with y'all once we have it on, so y'all can take a look, right? Yeah. All right, guys, I'll be back with y'all. All right, guys. Well, it's a couple days later from when we started the headliner, but this is the finished product. Look at that star.
I know, right? Go back. Nigga, you know what it tastes like?
Hey, Brian. Hey, what you think? ¿Cómo quedó, cut?
Man, I can't get over
They
these
put it some
starlights,
way.
man.
See?
Put it on.
Hey, what you think, Eddie? ¿Sí te mira? Sí se mira mamalón, vato.
A1, boy.
Ey, nos tardamos un chingo para esta mierda, vato.
No me digas que Martin hizo todo.
No, hombre. Sí, pero Martin sí se aventó esta vez. Ey, ¿verdad que? Ey.
Te hablaron de la casa
Ey.
y dijiste, no, yo no voy a ir a la casa hasta que acabe el jale aquí.
Sí, güey.
Basta.
¿Verdad que sí, que?
A ver, aquí.
Ey, ¿verdad que ese día Martin sí se aventó, que?
Sí se aventó, sí nos
Ey,
ayudó chingo.
ese día Martin sí se aventó, que?
Ey, me voy a dejar, güey, ok. ¿Eh? ¿Qué dijo? A ver, dame un pedazo, güey. ¿Qué sabe?
Chill, nigga. Hey, look at this
A ver,
nigga,
a ver,
dog.
¿qué
I'm fucking
sabe?
putting cops on this nigga.
A ver, ¿a qué sabe?
I love it. Voy a agarrar, cabrón, vas a ver.
Alright, guys, pues I thought that's the ending for that vlog. I hope y'all liked the video. If y'all did, make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe. Don't forget it. Send a pack.